Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, how you see this my gown? I miss one more, guys. I get a lot of all these dresses when I sew. Okay, so my waist train, I decided to wear a waist train today. My tummy be not big like that, you see. My tummy not big. This is my tummy. So I put the waist train not strong like that, but I won't buy that strong or those solid ones, the way we say, because I won't slay this body for this summer, guys. Okay, so I just might wear this one. So I won't invest for better waist train. Okay, so let me first wear this one. This is my tummy, as you can see. Okay, so guys, I want to my son duvet cover because I won't change all these ones then. Okay, so I get material when I buy. Okay, 11 years of material. That is €11, guys. Duvet cover. They sell at €35 if you go IKEA. Okay, so I get sewing machine. So I go fix one. This one where I sit in my son bed. This very one. So let me sew this one. Okay, already I don't see sew for my daughter. Okay, so why? Because my son they use a little bit. My son bed be past my daughter bed. Okay, so now make I want sew for my son the young this is, so why this one on my daughter on. Okay, when I sew, at least I will put some love inside. Don't say that one is for mommy. Now mommy na this one. Okay, so you go put some love inside when you this one. When your son is on the cover, you don't say now mama sew this thing for Rambo. Okay, so this one on my daughter. Then the pillow be this. Okay, this is the pillow. So I decided to sew my son on. So I want video run. Okay, so the material be this one I buy for my son. 11 yards. Okay, €1 for 1 yard. So this one and my son. So guys, this one I carry on along where we sew this duvet cover together. So now show now I say the measure. Okay, already I go spread and put for the, because this one I want use and take sew the duvet cover, and I want to use and take sew bed sheet. Okay, both pillow. So now make I buy 11 yards. So I will see sew for my own room again because I sew last for my own room. Okay, so now I take the measure. So I go use it like that, take size, and then I will come cut them. See how long, so you can see 11 yards of material. Let me be this one. €11, guys. €11. Let me be this. €11. So you can see this is €11. Okay, so my kids the day school. Okay, so I see my carry on along. I won't cut them because if not the video go too long. Okay, so guys, this as I take the spread down for ground. So this one are the duvet. Okay, I don't cut the duvet. But this one are the bed sheet. So you know long reach, you know wide reach. So I will cut from here somewhere here to take complete that very part so that it go wide. Then the remaining I will use and take sew pillow. Okay, so now like this, just to cut them so that it go wide. Guys, it's a very good job to learn. I save a lot of money when it comes to all this, and I'll see the finished look. So guys, I don't cut the finish. Okay, so now don't worry, remember this from the 11 yards material fine where we have been. So why this one are the pillow. Okay, the two pillow, very fine material. I don't know that now they see the material. Very fine material, looks so beautiful. So the two pillow then be this. Okay, this is the two pillow. Okay, so why this one are the bed sheets. Okay, so this one are the bed sheets. Then why this one are the duvet cover and be this one. So I carry my machine out. Okay, so guys, my machine, everything is ready. We are good to go. Okay, so this one, like I go start from the bed sheet, guys. I think so. So now the bed sheet, guys, just 11 euro. Now I want to achieve all these things. So you see, I say it's very good for you to ask and work. Okay, so I know spend money. This thing now, if I see when I buy am for store now, at least with the bed sheet, everything, I know how much I go pay. But with just 11 euro now, I take achieve this and this thing. So I want sew the bed sheet first. Then before I will come sew the duvet cover. So more we do this thing together. Okay. So guys, the bed sheet. Okay, so you know wide reach, so I can cut some of the material. I will come sew join them together because now bed sheet. So I want to make it wide to take cover the bed very well. Because my son bed then I want in a medium size king bed, something like that. Okay, because it come with the wardrobe and everything. So my daughter wanna buy them separately. So the bed they different. Okay, so this one I the bed sheet. Okay, so I'll first sew the bed sheet them together before I come sew the duvet cover. Okay. Guys, let me small work there. So this is the pillowcase. My standard version away. So now the pillowcase be this. Okay, so this now 1 and 2. The 2 pillowcase now be this. You can see this is it. 1 pillowcase and 2 pillowcase. Okay, so the bed sheet, I don't see so the bed sheet finished, guys. So this is the bed sheet. So this one on one side, the other side. So now here now join together. Okay, so that it go wide way. So you can see this is the bed sheet. Okay, so this is it. So the bed sheet and the pillowcase is ready. 2 pillowcase. So remain the duvet cover. Okay, so now the duvet cover be this. I want to start to sew them now. Okay, so this is it. This is the duvet cover. So guys, let me this. So you can see. Okay, so see you guys later because I need to sew them off camera. Because if I see my swan, this video go too over long. But make I sew my start from this thing. So you can see. Okay, Ben, now we wanna see. Okay, so it's very easy to sew, guys. You can do this. See, I learned how to sew online. I did sew a lot of stuff, guys. If you know how many kaftan of this thing when I sew during summertime, I go sew a lot of them. I go dey post them for my channel. When I see during summertime, I go post to make a lot because the material for here cheap. Clothes for here they cheap. Material they cheap. So it's very easy. So guys, yeah. Let me this one. I will come fold them into 2 first like this. Then put on for my machine. Because my electric machine be this. And the machine out there 3 years now I don't use this sewing machine. So, and meanwhile guys, I want to see I made one of my jeans trouser. Okay. So the time when I put on weight now, I can't expand the trouser. So as I don't come down now, so I need to use the trouser. So this is it. As I go sew all of them. It's very easy to sew, very easy. Maximum if all these things go take you like 1 hour to sew because I sew bed sheets and pillowcase and the duvet cover. Very easy. So you can see, you see, huh? Okay, guys, not mind my hand though. Hot water. Because if you dey Europe, if your hand not the black, even though say you be yellow person, your hand must black. Even though you be black person, you must still show. Even though you get chocolate color, let's say maybe you not use hot water for your house. If you use hot water, your hand must be black. Okay. So I go first sew all of them like this first. Okay. All of them like this because that made me they sew them off camera, because if I say make I sew them for inside camera, the video go too long. Okay, see you guys later. So guys, I don't sew my duvet cover, my bed sheet, everything finished. So my show now what I sew. So guys, you know what I do. Okay, so if you want to make your duvet cover stay well, so I come sew rope for the edges when I will take cover, when I will take tie, so that you know they move. Okay, so this is it. This is the duvet cover, the finished look of the duvet cover. Maybe this, guys. So this is the finished sewing. Before I go is to spread my sun bed. So this is it. You can see. Okay. This is it. Okay. So now be this. So I got so extra pillow. I get, so this is extra pillow when I sew. So I still use the material as it is to pillow. Okay. So now like this, there be 2 pillow. Okay. So why the material will remain out of the 11 yards? Now be this. Only this one I remain. Then this is the bed sheet. The bed sheet. Okay. So here now we are cut. As you can see, yeah. Very fine material. It won't be like how this African print material. So you see, this side now joined together for the bed sheet, so that I go cover and well, because my son bed big. Okay, so now be this. Because so this is the pillowcase, the bed sheet. Then the 2 pillowcase now be this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now the 2 pillowcase. Now be this, guys. Okay, so I will spread the bed sheet and the pillowcase. Then the extra pillow when I sew, just little pillow to take garnish the bed, this thing. Okay, so this is the duvet cover, as you can see. So I'm going to spread my sun bed. See you guys later. So guys, this one are the duvet cover when I sew. So the duvet cover and the bed sheets. Okay, so now the bed sheet be this. Okay, so now the bed sheet complete is complete. So the bed sheet and the duvet cover and be this. Okay, so this one on my daughter own also. So now the pillowcase then be all these ones the when I sew, guys. So you can see, this is it, my kids room. So guys, you can see you can do this. This is the 2 duvet cover I sew. I will soon sew my own 2 also. The duvet cover and the bed sheet, just 11 yards. Yeah, 11 yards. I'll be something like that. I think 11 yards or 12 yards. I don't remember again. But now the bed sheet be this one when I sew for my son bed. Okay, this is it, guys. My daughter I know say no video my daughter So if you like the video, give me some thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification button so that anytime I upload any video, you could be the first to see my video. Thank you very much and God bless you guys. Ciao ciao.